If you want a way to get that really valuable toothpaste out of the toothpaste tube, well, you're going to want this. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I just picked this up. It's actually a 2-pack shakur of a toothpaste tube squeezer. Now, I picked this up because you might use toothpaste tubes, and you know how hard it is to get the toothpaste out, and you're squeezing and rolling the bottom because it's $1,000 an ounce. Well, this will solve that for you. But it's also a tool that's going to make your toothpasting even more convenient, because what we can do here is we can put the toothpaste into this clamp. Oh my gosh, this is super tough here. So, super strong, really well made. I mean, heavy duty stainless steel material here. You can see we have this little base, and then we have basically a spring that's kind of pushing up on the bottom right there. Then we also have this little tube, and you can see it's hollow there. And I think we put the bottom of the toothpaste tube in there, slide it in, and then we put this in here, and we start rolling it like this, and that's gonna wind the toothpaste tube down, but it's gonna squirt that delicious, that valuable, that tasty whitening goodness up to the top here. And so you can just turn it, get a little squeeze of that toothpaste, brush your teeth, turn it a little more, and you'll know that you're getting every last drop out. So, does this guy work? Let's find out. All right, so I've gone ahead and put my Colgate in here, my Colgate Total, a delicious toothpaste that whitens and freshens and keeps your mouth free from bacteria for 24 hours. But as you can see, I've kind of wound it the first inch there, and now we will just kind of wind it here. The thing is, it's nice and heavy. The base could probably be a little heavier. You might be able to stick it down on something, but just kind of winding it with one hand here, and you can see, oh yeah, it's pushing all that toothpaste up at the top. And so if I were just to flip this open and keep winding it, oh, there it comes. And I could just grab it with my toothbrush. And that is how easy it could be to dispense toothpaste. I know, maybe not the most difficult thing in the world, but for some of us, oh man, it's hard getting the toothpaste out, and it's hard getting that last bit of toothpaste out. So if you want to pick up this, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.